Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation parenthesis 0.3 parenthesis close whole square divided by 0.3 minus 0.2. So here there are two arithmetic operation included, division and subtraction, and exponent is also included. So first of all, according to PEMDAS, we solve the power first. Simplify the power first, and then second division, and third subtraction. So we solve this by 0.3 whole square. It means 0.3 multiply 0.3 2 times. Okay, so we solve 0.3 multiply 0.3. Answer we will get 3 3 the 0.09. Okay, here we write the 0.09 divide 0.3 and minus 0.2. So now we solve the division. 0.09 divide 0.3. We will get the answer 0.3. Okay, so here we write the 0.3 minus 0.2, and we will get the answer 0.3 minus 0.2, answer is 0. So we check our answer is right or not, wrong. So 0.3 minus 0.2, and we check 3 minus 2 is 1, here point and 0, so 0.1. So our final answer is 0.1. This is the final answer and right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.